Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo for your website or blog site for free without using Photoshop or without having any graphic design skills. Okay, so here as you can see this website or this logo, I have created this logo by using that platform and which is canva.com, and you have to sign up with an account. You can use your Facebook or Google account or your email address. So I have signed up with my Google account, so I'm actually going to click on login to log in with my account by using Google account. Okay, so I'm choosing the account, and here is the account dashboard. And if you just take a look here, I have created about hundreds of logos and other images by using this website for 100% free. And now I'm going to show you how to create a logo for 100% free by using this website. Okay, so here's the option, create a design logo. Okay, you can create a logo design from here, and in case if you are not seeing this option here, you can always make a search here for logo, and you can click on the click on here to get started with. And here on this page you will see not thousands, but you will see at least over hundreds of a few hundreds of logo themes to choose from. Okay, as you can see, for your website or blog site, and you will be able to select themes, logo themes based on your business category or your blog category, as you can see. So if you're creating contents based on beauty or fashion related contents, then you can choose beauty logo, and I'm actually going with this option. Like clicking on all to see what else we have got. This one is also nice for a beauty related website. This one is obviously nice. This one is also creative. Okay, and let's see what else you can get for free. This one is for free, and I like this design as well. This one is also nice, this one. Okay, so I'm actually going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to make a change to show you that you can actually make changes. So instead of B, I'm putting Z. Okay, and if I want to make change on the color of this font, then we can make the change as well. Okay, the color has been changed, so it's looking bad here with one pink. Okay, so let's pick this one. Okay, and you can your sorry beauty instructor. Okay, so or your beauty brand as you want to, right? And if you want to make the background changed, then you can do this as well. Let's make it white or whatever color you want to give. All right, so let's just keep it as it was, as it is a tutorial purpose, and you know how your business will be more, your logo will be more focused, more attractive for your business. Okay, so we will design this more nicely. As I am not a graphic designer, this might looking very bad, but pardon me for that. I hope you have found this resource helpful. Okay, this resource is the main thing that I'm about to show you. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you. Oh, okay, let me show you how to save a logo. You just have to click on download and then click on download, and just save it on wherever you want to download. And if all right, so let's just check out the image. Here it is, let's open it. Here we go. we have got our website logo for free. We can customize the logo, we can crop it like this part if we want to put like this on a vertical mode. So we can just cut off, and let me show you how we can do that as well. Just open with paint and make it a little bit smaller, and okay, click on crop, and here we go, we are ready. We can make it more smaller as we want. Okay, and we can save and use these images as we want into our website. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video and let me know if you have any question by commenting below, and share this video to help others as well. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this in near future, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.